Hi guys. So I just wanted to pop on real quick and say Merry Christmas for one thing. Ooh, my camera's a little screwy. And I've noticed, there's been problems with mail, slowness, mostly because of storms, but I've noticed recently, it's like the 18th today, so it's getting pretty close to Christmas, and I've noticed there's packages that I have incoming that are not far away at all, like a state away, and I'm waiting 7 days for priorities. So the post office is not exactly up on their stuff. I'm going to say they're really busy and overloaded, but who knows what the reason is. UPS appears to be running pretty normal unless there's snowstorms, and then there's delays, which that's pretty normal. I am not taking time off this year for the holidays, so I will be available to make orders even on Christmas Day if somebody needs it. Not to say that it's not going to get there. You know, if you order something Christmas Eve, it still has to ship. But yeah, you could get it there. For anybody who's looking for like unique kind of presents, unique gifts, one thing that I think is really cool is like destination jewelry. Things like shells or stones, you know, that you've collected while you're on like a destination vacation with your family, your loved one, by yourself, whatever. Sand, you can make some of the coolest jewelry out of things that you find, little keepsakes and memorials that you find and bring home. So in order to do it this year, you would have to get on it pretty quick. You'd have to like get moving. But like I said, we're not taking any time off for the holidays, so if you were to order settings, ship them priority or UPS 2-day, you would have them available. But you can do all kinds of stuff. You can do like for pebbles and stones and things like that. You can do like rings, earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and you can do the raw gemstones. And instead of putting a gemstone in it, you just put like, you know, if it's a piece of quartz that you found or something that you found in the sea or, you know, something along those lines. Or you can do resin. Like you can go to Hobby Lobby and you can get materials to do resin jewelry and get a setting and take like a cup setting or bezel cup settings. Take the bezel cup setting and you mix up resin, and you can mix in sand, you can mix in ashes, you can mix in all kinds of stuff, and then you put it into the bezel cup for keepsake jewelry. Super easy. Does not take, you know, intense skill. I mean, it takes patience. It takes a little bit of skill, but it's not like, you don't have to have some kind of a degree to like make the stuff. And it's really cool because it's like, something that means something to you. So like, I know for like many years I had a piece of my great grandmother's hair, and I was thinking I would put something, put it in resin, set it in resin, and make a ring out of it. I don't know where that is now. I might have just gotten rid of it because I was like, well, it's kind of weird to hang on people's hair. But if you have hair, or like, how about pets? You know, past pets. I have a pet that I lost this year, and I kept a lot of her hair, and I've actually thought of doing like a little braid or something and setting it into a pendant, just because it'd be an experience, and I miss her so much. Anyway, I think that's it. We are up on orders. We're not behind at all. The only time that we have any delays is I should say me. Anytime I have a delay is when I'm waiting for packages, like today. I'm waiting for material to arrive before I can get something out. But other than that, pretty much everything's running pretty smooth. And we have up on the page that it's like a 4 to 5 day turnaround, and we're actually running about 2 to 3 days, unless we're waiting on material. So I put 4 to 5 days just to kind of cover any shipping delays or any material ordering or anything like that, but the reality is it's usually a couple days from the time we get to the order, or get the order, to the time that I actually ship it out. And why I keep saying I have absolutely no idea. Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys have a really great Christmas, and if I don't do another video before New Year's, which I probably will, have a great New Year's. Love and blessings.